Hello, hi! Welcome to CodeEC, an exclusive online platform for medical coding training. I am Neenu Prasad, your medical coding mentor. This video is to introduce myself and my CodeEC to you. I am a CPC certified medical coding mentor, having more than 10 years of experience in training students in and out of India, online and offline in multiple languages. My basic qualification is post-graduation in obstetrics and gynecological nursing from Kottayam Medical College, Kerala, having more than 3 years of experience in clinics as well. Apart from training, I have handled medical coding syllabus preparation, study material designing, structuring corporate interview techniques, and providing soft skill development in students. I was also lucky to be a part of many recruitment panels and campus selections for reputed medical coding companies in India. CodeEC is not just another medical coding institution which is mushrooming every day. It's an exclusive online platform for graduates who dream their career in medical coding. The specialities of CodeEC are as follows. Number 1. Easy access to students all around the world as it is exclusively online. Number 2. One-to-one attention to students as only one trainer handles the entire course, which increases accountability, trust and good communication among teacher and student. Number 3. CPC exam preparation classes for medical coding students are also available with study materials and 10 mock examinations for practice as well as doubt clearing sessions after each exam. Number 4. Individual chapter-wise tuition classes for students struggling to understand a particular topic is the special attraction of only CodeEC. Number 5. Free demonstration classes are also available to experience and assess the quality of classes. The idea behind CodeEC is to utilize online platform and the vast experience of the mentor to provide the highest quality training in medical coding and break the conventional attitude among the students about the necessity of enrolling in institutions to get trained in medical coding or to be dependent on placement support they offer to get a job. Dear students, this is AI era, so grab the opportunity to learn to handle medical coding through your online platform and create your own future independently rather than depending on the false promises of placements. CodeEC is the other name of building confidence and emphasizing the truth that the only certification you need is the CPC certification and the only placement support you need is the confidence of your own knowledge, excellence and accuracy in coding, which can be achieved through high quality training in CodeEC. CodeEC helps you to believe in yourself and your power to build your own future. The only promise assured by CodeEC is the 100% highest quality in medical coding training and building the perfect attitude among my students to fly high and touch the sky. So my dear students, I am waiting for you. Study medical coding along with me and feel the difference in the quality. Thank you all from CodeEC, quality with simplicity.